Yo, what's going on, guys? BVF Collection here. Got ourselves another unboxing or unopening. Today we got ourselves the complex con drop. This is the Bred, the Bred hoodie. I ordered this on December 11th and it's now January 5th. So yeah, that's how long it took here to get here. Really excited for this one. Got it in an XL, and supposedly it's supposed to be a new standard, new blank, all that stuff. There she is, the Bred. Wow, that actually looks amazing. Oh my gosh, and puffy too, so puffy. Well, thanks for freaking watching. I'm gonna unbox this outside of the video here, but just to show you, this is what it's looking like with its puff. Very nice indeed. Very happy with this. Thanks for watching.